Hey there, bird lovers! In today's video, we're going to be exploring the fascinating world of avian intelligence. Birds are often admired for their beauty, but did you know that some of them are also incredibly intelligent? From solving complex problems to using tools, these feathered geniuses are sure to amaze you. And let's take a closer look at the top 5 most intelligent birds in the world. Number 5. The African Gray Parrot. African gray parrots are highly intelligent birds that have been shown to have cognitive abilities similar to those of a human toddler. They are renowned for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech, which they can do with remarkable accuracy. Not only can they mimic words and phrases, but they can also understand their meaning and use them in context. In addition to their impressive linguistic abilities, African gray parrots have also been observed solving complex problems and even using tools in the wild to obtain food. Number 4. The Kea. The Kea is a parrot species native to New Zealand that is known for its playful and curious nature. Despite their small size, Keas are incredibly intelligent and have been observed using tools to obtain food. They are also known for their problem-solving abilities and have been observed dismantling and reassembling traps set by humans. In addition, Keas are social birds that have been observed playing with objects and even sliding down snow-covered roofs for fun. Number 3. The Crow. Crows are one of the most intelligent bird species on the planet. They have been observed using tools to obtain food, such as using sticks to extract insects from crevices. Crows are also able to solve complex problems, such as figuring out how to obtain food from a difficult-to-reach location. In addition, crows have remarkable memory skills and can recognize individual humans, even after long periods of time. They have also been observed leaving gifts for humans who have been kind to them, such as shiny objects or food. Number 2. The Pigeon. Pigeons are often seen as pests, but they are actually incredibly intelligent birds that have been used for various tasks throughout history. During wartime, pigeons were trained to deliver messages to soldiers on the front lines, and even guided missiles to their targets. Pigeons are also known for their remarkable navigational abilities, which they use to navigate during long flights. They are able to use the Earth's magnetic fields to orient themselves, as well as landmarks and other environmental cues. Number 1. The Raven. The raven is considered the most intelligent bird in the world. They have been observed using tools to obtain food, such as using sticks to extract insects or to manipulate their prey. Ravens are also able to solve complex problems, such as figuring out how to obtain food from a locked container. They are incredibly adaptable birds and have been able to survive in a wide range of environments, from the Arctic to the desert. Ravens are also able to recognize individual humans and have been observed mourning the loss of their companions. So, there you have it, the top 5 most intelligent birds in the world. These birds may not be the first animals you think of when it comes to intelligence, but they are incredibly smart and have adapted to survive in their environments. We hope you learned something new today and appreciate these amazing creatures a little bit more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads. If you have any suggestions or feedback, let us know in the comments below. And lastly, if you know someone who would find this video interesting, please share it with them. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.